This BMW E90. To remove window regulator, as you can see, mine is not working. Just pull it halfway down with a secret tape from outside, and there are 3 nuts here. I think of 10. I don't have the one here, So after you take out this shield, just take it out. And there are 3. One is right down here. So just take it off. Get them loose. So before doing that, there's a tab right here. You can see the tab there. So once you reach that point, deep. There's a tab here. Just put your hand from the back. You see the tab just comes off. Once it comes off, you just gotta push your window back up. It up, and then just take out the 3 nuts which are there. I can't find my spanner, so I just use the plier to get it off. It off, just push it back. There's a tab here for the connector. Just get this tab off, just have to press. There's a tab right there, just press on it and pull back so it comes out. Just take it like that, walk it back. That's it. You can see mine is quite broken.